Hey there. So you might be wandering around the desert of the internet, confused and thinking, what kind of online business will actually work for me? Well, that's a great question. If you want to know what type of business model has the highest chance of success for you, then stay tuned. But if you're already making a boatload of money online, then please click skip. So I'll wait if you click skip if this is not for you and you're already making tons of money online and you don't want to learn how to make more. Okay, still with me? In order to know what you want, you need to know what you don't want. So let's talk about the worst business models first. The one that most people start with and the fewest people succeed with is the network marketing type of business model. This requires you to recruit thousands of other successful action takers and also to devote large sections of your evenings to training people on your team. Trust me, it's not ideal. It also relies on most newbies looking at the very few company-wide success stories and award winners and not fully understanding the concept of the compensation plan. I'm going to tell you a big secret that I want you to remember for the rest of your life. The more complicated that the compensation plan is, the more time that it takes to explain all the levels and rewards, the worse it is for the average distributor. Basically, complicated compensation plans create what is known as breakage. The company owners actually want distributors not to qualify so they can pay out less in commissions and keep more for themselves. Pretty sneaky, eh? Next up is the e-commerce model. Now, this is a good alternative. It certainly allows you to run your business during the hours that you want to run your business. But the main thing is you have to know how to find a hot product that nobody else knows about. Plus, there are some major headaches you need to master, like technical integrations with websites, knowing how to segment your email list. You need to be a master of running paid marketing and particularly being able to run complicated retargeting campaigns. Plus, you need to know how to create a professional, modern-looking website and sell the heck out of a physical product. And if you do get things running, your store will likely be emulated and knocked off by professionals who can do it better and quicker than you. And the most important thing is there's not much profit. Because the profit margins on physical products are so small, there's not much room for error at all. Lastly, there's the digital licensing model. This is where you leverage a pre-built funnel that has already been proven to convert. So there's no need to reinvent the wheel and find a diamond in the rough product. The digital licensing model sells a higher ticket digital product with great profit margins. Now, this next part is super important. Having a digital product with a high profit margin and a high value to the end customer, that allows you to profit even if your marketing skills are weak. In fact, if you're lucky, some of these companies will even set up the marketing campaigns for you initially. Some of the benefits are low overhead, no risk, very quick to get into profit once you start, and it works for average people. Now, I could go on, but the bottom line is you need to be an action taker in order to make any business work. And if you want to learn about this third method, the digital licensing model, and how it works, then you'll want to register for my free webinar where I break down how it works in detail. So click on the link and register for the free webinar. Look, you're not going to make money sitting around on YouTube and watching YouTube all day. If you're hungry to make a real income on the internet and you're committed to your own success, then you have to register right now. This webinar is only going to be running for a limited time. So click on the link and register and learn about this new digital licensing business model that has the best chance to work for average people. Register now. You have nothing to lose. If you're an average person looking for a solid way to generate a recurring income online, you need to check out this webinar. Be sure to come with a notepad and take notes. I'll see you on the webinar. Make sure to click on one of those arrows that you see on the screen before the timer runs out